Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can review filtered commands on TikTok. So if you want to review filter commands on TikTok, you can easily do so through TikTok's command management settings, because TikTok allows creators to automatically filter commands based on keywords or offensive content, and you can review these filtered commands before approving them. So the steps, you can follow the steps in here. First, you can just open the TikTok application and make sure you've already logged in into your account. And after that, in here you can just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, this one. Then access the settings and privacy by tapping on the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Select settings and privacy, and then you need to navigate to the command management by going to the privacy in here and tap on commands under the interaction section. So you can review the filter commands. So if you have enabled filters, any commands that are filtered for keywords or offensive content will not be visible publicly until you review. And to review these commands, you can check your post command section. Filter commands usually appears under a review or pending section where you can choose to approve or delete them. You can see in here, I'm not enable the filter or command, so commands still visible on my videos, but I have already filtered specific keywords in here, this one's right here. And to review the filter commands, you can just click on this review filter commands. Click on that, and if there is any commands that needs to be filtered, it will show in here. So if you want to enable the command filters, if it's not already on, you can go to the settings and privacy, and here go to commands. You can turn on the following filters. The filter or commands will hold or commands for your review. And if you enable the filter unwanted commands, it will automatically hide inappropriate commands. And if you enable the filter specific keyword, it will add specific keywords or praise. You can add specific keywords or phrases you'd like to block. You can also directly review commands on your videos. You can just open a certain video, tap the command icon, and look for pending or filtered commands in the list. They may appear separately for review. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.